noise as you turn the steering wheel, chances are that the power steering fluid is low. In addition, the steering wheel might be difficult to turn. Open the hood and locate the power steering fluid reservoir. Use a clean cloth to clean the area around the cap. With the engine at idle speed, turn the steering wheel from lock to lock several times. This will ensure that the level reading is accurate. After a couple of minutes, turn the engine off. You will need to determine the minimum and maximum level. Remove the cap from the power steering reservoir. The cap can be removed by turning it counterclockwise. Wipe the dipstick clean with a rag and insert it into the reservoir. Make sure the cap is fully inserted. After a couple of seconds, pull the dipstick out and check the fluid level. If the level is below the minimum, add power steering fluid.